my channel. So today let's make a simple compass. First we have to magnetize the needle by contact method using the bar magnet. Then fix the needle into the cork bung. After that, let's float the slice of cork bung with the needle on the bowl of water. Now we can observe the floating needle is always turned in the same direction. So let's color the end of the needle, which always turn to the geographical north, with red paint. At the end, we had made a simple compass.